questions you may have. Please respect.
I know things have been weird between us today. I'm just saying I think I found something that'll make it better.
Okay, what is that?
I found Josh smoking crack in the alley.
Anyway, thank you so much everybody for staying, and we
Go on, pick it up. Do it. Pick up my poop. I need a plastic bag. Here's a thin napkin.
After the animals that are slowed.
Traveling the world, their final stop was at the Great Barrier Reef.
Tu veux le prendre aussi?
Go.
Go.
People were sending her letters and flowers. Marianne's murder charge was dropped. She was still charged.
Notre cadeau, Lucas. Non, vous n'avez pas le droit à nous. C'est que moi.
I'm not gonna let that stop me from romanticizing summer, because it is summer.
It is Bridgerton, and the summer I turned pretty. You guys, I absolutely loved it. It's the most simple, but it really did.
You want to hear a story about how me and this bitch here fell out? It's kind of long, but it's full of suspense.
Right now we're just with you.
Very brave.
Baby, are you down?
Just that it can be uncomfortable to wear.
It is July 2024. Summer is in full force. We are 6 months through the year, and it's time to have an amazing summer.
Can you actually stop? I have new neighbors.
I know how much you appreciate me, but I don't think you understand how much I appreciate.
A sensor in the Apache's nose became second nature. And then it was. Meanwhile, I regaled the company with tales of being pledged. I'm thinking of seeing this love you found together. I wasn't going to break that streak now. Still not looking up. But painfully awkward. The next morning, I phoned my cousin. My accommodation this time was better. In fact, do it. I told everyone, but no one would listen. I shook my head and thought, the Taliban commander who'd been calling in fire all day was looking back as he gave chase. Villages using civilians for cover. The area, but I couldn't see anything to strafe.
The decision about which couple is dumped and narrowly misses the final lies in the hands of our ex-islanders.
Ooh, the winners of Love Island are Mimi and Josh!
Come at me with that type of insanity. You know that's that shit I don't need. Sometimes I feel like